the two are series and parallel. So, what are series, what are parallel? Talon, tell me what a series circuit is.
Series is when it's in one single loop.
Yes. So, all resistors connected in one loop. Perfect. So series is where they're all connected in one single loop. Okay? Jonah, what about parallel? What are parallel circuits?
Parallel circuits are circuits that are not in a single loop.
Yeah, so they're in multiple loops. Yeah. So all resistors connected in multiple loops. Okay, pretty straightforward. What I want to do is I want to see what you think they are. So we're going to do this rapid fire. Just looking at them, I just want you to tell me, do you think it's a series or a parallel? Don't worry about being wrong. Don't worry about being right. I just want to see what you think they're going to be. Okay? Elias, start with you. This first one here, what do you think it is? Series or parallel? Okay? All right. Caden, what about that next one? Series or parallel on this one? So the one in the upper right-hand corner. Okay? All right, Ryan, what about this one in the bottom left corner? Parallel. And Zach, what about this last one in the bottom right? Okay, let's check it out. Here's how I like to do it. I like to pretend like I'm a tiny little choo-choo train, and I ride that choo-choo train from one side of the battery to the other. And you figure out, is there only one way to get there, or are there more than one ways to get there? So here I go, chugga, 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 through this light bulb, choo-choo, choo-choo, choo, to the battery. There's only one way to go. I cannot go any other way. It's the only path available to me, so this is series. Okay? Start here, chugga, 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 through here, through there, through here, through the wire, to the battery. Series. It's the only way I can go. There's not another option available to me. Okay? But this one's a little different. I go through here, I get into here, and I can either go to the left path or I can go through the right path. Both get me to the same place in the end, which is the other side of the battery. So that is parallel. This one, similarly, has a split. I can go through the left path, I can go through the center path, or I can go through the right path. So those would also be parallel. Okay. So I wanted you to kind of see what this looks like, to kind of get a visualization for it. Okay? All right. So the last thing you need to do on the front page is make sure you have the two predictions done. You need to have a prediction in order to figure out what you think is going to happen. So let's talk about the back page. All right. You are going to set up series and parallel circuits in order to determine the current that they have. So we need a way to measure this, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. All right, here's what you're going to need. And most of you will be working at your tables, but I'll be splitting a few up because I only have 10 groups available. 10 groups of of stuff. So, first thing you're going to need is 2 batteries. Next thing you're going to need are 2 wires. Third thing you're going to need is one of these big, scary-looking measuring things. And the last thing you'll need is one of the white boxes. So you want to get all of those things for your group. And here's how you're going to set it up. It's going to come looking like this. Okay? It should all be in kind of a figure 8 shape.